IEMs are great. You can usually get a decent to good pair for not a lot of money, right? But most people still know IEMs like this, right? Like the Apple ones you used to get with your iPhone, right? And I still see a lot of people rocking these. So there are still a lot of people using cabled headphones, right? But obviously I do get the appeal or like the convenience of just earbuds, right? They're very small, wireless, and the package for what you get is pretty good. But usually they are, to get good audio, they can get a bit expensive. And earbuds are not designed to last more than 1-2 years, right? I think earbuds are maybe like one of the most throwaway things there are. That's why I tried to find a solution to use my IEMs a bit more conveniently. So these ones I picked up, I think at the beginning of 2020. They were back then at the top of just when you searched IEM on Amazon, they were just like at the top of the search, right? And they're actually still available today. They exist in a bunch of colors and they go for 20 bucks. 20 bucks. That's less than I paid for my toothbrush replacement things. To get like a decent pair of earbuds for 20 bucks. Obviously in wireless, you're not gonna find that. But with cabled, you are. Obviously it's not gonna be, you know, blowing you away in terms of like great audio quality, absolutely not. But the nice thing about these, and that basically goes for all IEMs, not ones like these, but these have replaceable cables, right? So whenever you inevitably break the cable here at this part, you can just get a new cable and you're up and running again, right? And then if you go a little bit more expensive, like I have these Sennheiser ones, these were 100 Canadian dollars because I bought these in Canada. I think they go for around 80 euros. Obviously they are not like audiophile headphones, right? They are, you know, a bit bassy, they have a bit more top end, so they're fun to listen to, right? But that's what it's all about at this price point, I feel like. Basically, the Sennheisers are the KZs, but just on steroids, right? These are called the Sennheiser, the IE100, 89 bucks, right? But I hear you think, yes, it's great and all that I can pay only 20 bucks for an okay pair of headphones. How is this convenient, right? Well, first of all, if you just want to use it with the cable, it's 20 bucks. You can just do this and put it in your pocket, right? But if you want to make this into this, I found a solution. Yes, this is huge. Even if you compare it to the Shocks, which is already like an absolutely massive behemoth, like these are the Sony XM5s. Yes, this is even worse. This is pretty big, but there's a reason for that, okay? So these things basically transform your IEMs into wireless headphones. And that's great. This is also from KZ. Also, this is not a case. They beautifully named it the charging cabin. And I think that's very poetic and beautiful. So we have the charging cabin over here. You can basically throw these earbuds, you can take them off, and use them wirelessly. Types that I have here though, you have the ones, maybe it's a bit hard to see, that have like the 2 pins, right? Like it's a 2-pin, it's like a 2-pin connector. With like more expensive ones, you do have, it's like it's not 2-pin, it's just like it looks kind of like a button. But you do have this kind or this type of accessory also for this connector. But I did get them from KZ because I had KZ headphones and I was like, let me see how they are, right? So you basically just throw them on like that and you have a wireless headset. How great is that? Obviously I do realize that this case is, you know, you need a butler with you to take this thing around. But to be fair, there's still just buttons on top of the earbuds, right? So you can just turn them on and off, so you can just take this if you want to. But yeah, the case is also designed so you can take the earbuds that are in it with you. And the thing is, it's like a universal style, right? Like for these earbuds, so they don't have to be KZ specifically. You can just take it from another brand as well. But yeah, this is great. They just fit into the case too. And there you go. You transformed your IEMs into just a wireless headset. Obviously, with transforming cabled audio into Bluetooth, You are gonna take a hit in terms of quality, but I feel like for the convenience you get with these, it's a pretty good trade-off, right? So for people that like to use these, like behind my computer, I like to use in-ears or my headphones, right? But for the people that want to use their in-ears outside as well, this is great, because you're like, okay, I don't want to be bothered with the cable when I'm on the train, when I'm running, when I'm going wherever. And like I said, for these Sennheisers, it does exist for this type of connector as well. If you want to get a bit more expensive IEM'S, you have this option as well. But I haven't said the best part yet. These things, I picked these up for 30 euros, which 30 euros for something that not only for these specific IEM'S, just for everything with the same type of connector you can use. That's a steal. 20 bucks for cabled headphones and an extra 30 for a accessory that you can use with other headphones as well. I mean, that's a pretty good deal. And they have a mic too, so you can transform your IEM'S that don't have a mic, in my case, to IEM'S with a mic. One thing I did notice though, and I don't know if it's this specific pair of earbuds, but the sweet spot of how loud I want my audio to be is like between two settings. It's like, or it's just a little too quiet or just a little too loud. If you have that as well, play it a bit too quiet, because hearing, when you lose hearing, it's gone, you know? So anyway, I'm doing everything backwards. I should have shown you the name of this first maybe, but so these are the AZ09s. I don't know who comes up with these names, but if you want to pick it up for yourself, 30 euros. I think it's great. Case, yes, it's huge. But it does transform your IEM'S, or if you have anything laying around like this with this style of connector, into wireless headphones, right? And when you go on Amazon and you just type IEM, obviously there are like way too many options, and obviously I can't test them all. I just back in the day picked these up because when I typed IEM, these were at the top. I do see here there's another KZ, but it has a different name. I don't know how it kind of works with like names on Amazon, because sometimes it's like, oh, this is this brand, but this is that brand actually. Surprise. I don't know, but there's so many of them, but a lot of them use this style of connector. It's only when you go like a bit more expensive, you get this kind, right? I do know that Shure makes ones like this, but for this type of connector. I just wanted to share this because I feel like this is a great option for, like I said, I still see a lot of people just using wired headphones, right? If they want to make it a bit more convenient, but you know, take a little bit of a hit in audio quality, this I feel like is a great option. I mean, it's not expensive, super easy to use. Yes, huge case, but you know, you have the buttons on the earbuds as well, so you can basically just take them like this, like you used to take your earbuds, like that, right? So that's it. Before I end the video, I do want to thank everyone for 100 subscribers. It's after only like a handful of videos, hitting 100 subscribers is absolutely crazy. So thank you so much. I hope we can keep exploring fun stuff like this. And if you have any suggestions for things to try out, just let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya, bye-bye.